Hello all of you. In star topology. In star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link on it to a central controller or a central device, or which is usually called hub or switch. The devices are not directly connected to one another. Each computer on the star network first communicate with the central hub switch that forwards the message either to the computer or only to the destination computer. Communication is controlled by the central controller hub switch, and the star topology is generally used in a LAN. It is very popular in a college, campus or organizations, offices. Look at the figure. Figure shows the setup image of your star topology. Advantages of the star topology. Star topology is easy to install and reconfigured and wired. It is centralized management which helps in monitoring the network. It is robust. One link fails, it not affected to the whole network. Fast as compared to the ring topology. Multiple devices can transfer data without collision. It eliminates traffic problems. No disruption to the network, then connecting or removing this. It is easy to and troubleshoot it. What are the disadvantages of the star topology? It's if central node goes down, the entire network collapse. It will not accessible. More cabling is required than of the ring topology, or some so it requires the more money to set up. Performance is dependent on the capacity of the devices. Next topology, physical topology, is the tree topology. What is the tree topology? As its name suggests, it in the this topology devices make a tree structure as shown in the figure. It is also called as the hierarchical topology. Tree topology integrates the characteristics of the star topology and the bus topology. In tree topology, the number of star networks are connected using the bus. Main bus is there, and for that bus all the other networks are connected. The main cable seems like a main stem of the tree, and the other star network as the only used in this type of the topology. Then what are the advantages and disadvantages of the tree topology? It is very easy to install and wire, fast as compared to the other topologies. It requires multiple devices can transfer data without collision. It eliminates the traffic problems, no disruption to the network for at the time of connecting and removing the devices. It is very easy to detect fault and the remove parts. What are the disadvantages of the tree topology? It relies heavily on the main bus cable. If that bus breaks down, whole network collapse. More expensive than the other topologies because it requires more devices for connecting. Huge cabling is needed because it connects number of networks together. It is scalability of the network depend upon the type of the cable used, and a lot of maintenance is required. Network. Next topology is the mesh topology. In mesh network topology, each of the network node, computer and other devices are interconnected with one another with the dedicated point-to-point link. For dedicated means that link carries traffic only between the two devices it connects. So for n number of nodes, there will be total n into n minus 1 divided by 2 links required. Mesh topology is usually implemented in the limited fashion as a backbone connecting the main computers of a hybrid network that can include several other topologies. Look at the figure. Figure shows the structure of the mesh topology. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the mesh topology? Each connection can carry its own data load due to the dedicated link. Eliminates traffic problems. Mesh topology is robust. If one link becomes unusable, privacy or security become because of the dedicated link. Point to point link make fault and simple. What are the disadvantages? More cables are required than other topologies. It is overall cost of this network is very high. Installation and reconfiguration is very difficult. Setup and maintenance of the topology is very difficult, and it is expensive due to hardware requirements such as cables. Last, physical topology. Here is the hybrid topology. Hybrid, as the name suggests, different things mixture work together. A network structure whose design contain more than one topology is said to be the hybrid topology. In short, a hybrid topology is the combination of two or more network topologies. Hybrid topology inherits merits and demerits of the incorporating topologies. Two common examples of the hybrid networks are star ring network and star bus networks. Look at the figure. It is shows the structure of hybrid topology. Hybrid topology's advantages is it is a fault detection and troubleshooting is easy. To increase the size of network by adding new component without disturbing the existing architecture of the network. It is flexible because the topology can be designed according to the requirement of the organization and by optimizing the valuable resources. What are the disadvantages of the hybrid topology? Hybrid topology is complex in design. The hubs used to connect the distinct network are very expensive, as hybrid architecture are usually larger in scale, and so it is time consuming and difficult to install. It also require a lot of cables, cooling systems, sophisticated network devices, etc., etc., and its cost is obviously high. Thank you. We will continue at the next lecture.